it's exciting, and you can't beat it.
This is incredible. Arctic grayling.
And there's so many fish here. Every fish, every cast, you get a fish. Everybody's familiar with the old twister tails. I mean, this is about a 20-cent piece catching $1 million fish. So what I'll do right now is, if you can look out here, you can see, you might get to see one rising. Like I just saw one rise right there. So what I'll do, you 3 times you grab, 4 times. How many times am I gonna miss this fish? There we go, finally. See, this fish was for the beginner because he gave me 4 chances at it. Just like you said, they go for where they rise, so they're obviously feeding, and they're loving this little white Mr. Twister tail. Smaller one. There you go, little buddy. Thanks for that. Wow, he disappeared right into the rocks.